You want to know how to ask Cursor AI to add unit tests for the program. So unit tests are sometimes necessary in your code in order to test how your code executes and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So we have also created similar videos, how to use Cursor AI and how to ask Cursor AI to generate code and stuff, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you're onto this interface, I have this code written right here. This is a simple C# code. Now you can just simply select the entire code right here by selecting Ctrl+A and then select Quick Edit. Now once I've selected Quick Edit here, you can just simply see the edit selection popping up. Now you can just simply type in this code right here. So make sure you have these frameworks with you as well, and then just simply select enter. Once that is done, and it should generate your unit test for you, and that's it. As you can see right here, now I can just simply select keep and it should be good to go. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily add unit test for the program. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.